Pat, welcome to the Law Show.
Hello.
Hi, what can we do for you, Pat?
I have a friend whose husband had open heart surgery at a local hospital, and he ended up having a stroke in the middle of the night one night, and the nurse called the cardiovascular surgeon, and he didn't want to be bothered, and he wasn't feeling well. He didn't want to come in, and turned out the symptoms resolved somewhat, and later that morning he had a big stroke, and it ends up with disability now because of that. That happened in March of 2009. I wonder if she should call you, or is this a case that's even worth investigating for malpractice?
Well, March of 2009, that's more than 2 years ago. And malpractice in Michigan has a 2-year statute of limitations. There's an exception to that. It's called the discovery rule, where if you don't discover malpractice within the initial 2 years, you have 6 months from the date that you knew or should have known. I personally think, without knowing any more about the facts, think that there is a very difficult uphill battle trying to bring this as a case, because I think the statute of limitations is expired. But go ahead.
I can tell you this, that they know nothing about the family knows nothing about the fact that the cardiovascular surgeon did not want to come in or do anything about it.
Well, why is it you know?
Well, because I work there.
You're an insider, aren't you?
Pardon me?
You're an insider, aren't you?
I am.
Okay, well, why don't you call me at the office, and we'll talk a little bit more about this. Everything will stay completely confidential, but you need to get in touch with me immediately, okay?
Sure.
Call us at the office, the same number you called to get into the show, after 9 a.m. on Monday, and we'll sit down and chat about what can be done, okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you for calling the Law Show. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469.